Hey there, little explorers! Today, we're going on an exciting journey to discover how plants grow. Get ready to learn some amazing facts and meet our green friends. The seed, a tiny wonder. Every plant starts as a tiny seed. Imagine it as a superhero in disguise. Inside this small package is everything a plant needs to start its life. Did you know that some seeds can stay asleep for years? They wait for the perfect moment to sprout. Roots, the plant's underground adventure globe showing Europe, Africa. Once the seed finds a cozy spot in the soil, it starts to grow roots. These roots are like the plant's feet. They dig deep into the ground to drink water and gather nutrients. Some plants have roots that can reach as deep as 30 feet. That's like having a really tall friend. Sprouting, the big awakening. After the roots are nice and comfy, the seedling breaks through the soil. This is called sprouting. The little plant pushes up towards the sunlight. It's like a baby reaching for a hug. The first leaves that appear are called cotyledons. They help feed the plant until it can grow its own leaves. Photosynthesis, plant power. Now that the plant is growing, it needs food. But guess what? Plants make their own food using sunlight. This magical process is called photosynthesis. The leaves capture sunlight and combine it with water and air to create energy. Did you know that plants are like tiny chefs? They can turn sunlight into food, just like you make cookies from flour and sugar. Growth, a race to the sky. As the days go by, the plant grows taller and taller. Some plants can grow inches in just a single day. They stretch their stems and grow more leaves. The tallest tree in the world is a coast redwood named Hyperion, and it's over 379 feet tall. That's taller than a 35-story building. Flowers, nature's beautiful surprise. When the plant is strong and healthy, it might grow flowers. Flowers are the plant's way of saying, "Look at me." They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. Bees can see colors that humans can't, which helps them find flowers. They play a super important role in helping plants grow and produce fruit. Fruits and seeds, the circle of life. Once flowers are pollinated, they can turn into fruits. Fruits are the plant's way of spreading seeds. When animals eat the fruit, they help scatter the seeds in new places, so new plants can grow. An apple tree can produce over 400 apples in a single year. That's a lot of yummy snacks. From tiny seeds to tall trees, plants go through an incredible journey to grow. Next time you see a plant, remember all the amazing things it did to get there. Plants can even communicate with each other through their roots. They send signals to warn each other about pests. Isn't that cool? Thank you for joining me on this green adventure. Keep exploring and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.